So if you have a front load washer and dryer, you're gonna wanna keep the top nice and clean. Maybe you wanna keep things like your laundry detergent or your softener on top of it, and that's where this comes in. So this is gonna be a large rubber mat that's actually gonna go over both the washer and the dryer. And let me tell you why this is important. A lot of the other ones that you'll see on Amazon, they're gonna be single squares that just cover just the washer or just the dryer. But the great thing about this is it's gonna actually cover that crack in the middle, so nothing's gonna fall down in the middle, and it's also going to give you a little bit more surface area to put things. On the edge, it has a little lip here, so if you do have something spill, it's not going to spill down onto the ground. It's actually going to retain that water up here until you can kind of go ahead and wipe it off. Plus, it also kind of just helps with anything that you set on top of here. This little lip is going to hold it up on the top of the washer and dryer. So as a size reference, let me go ahead and show you. I've got a laundry detergent and a fabric softener here, and you could see up here on the front that you could even fit probably one more right here, and you're able to fit basically 3 in a row. You're probably not going to have that many up here, but maybe you have some other things like bleach or some type of cleaner. You'll have plenty of room up here on the top to put everything. I like putting it maybe a little bit more towards the back. That way I can have my laundry basket or the basket to grab the clean laundry and just kind of set that up here on top. But it's great because you're going to have so much surface area now, and this is also going to protect your washer dryer up top. No more scratches or even spilling anything on the top of them. Now, as for the material, you can see that it does have a little bit of texture right here, which I think just adds a little bit of an aesthetic look to it. I don't think it has too much specific function. Maybe it helps a little bit with things not sliding around on top. And the quality of this is great. I love the fact that it is thin enough to where it's easy for me to just grab this off if I want to go spray it down in the backyard and bring it back up. But it's also thick enough to where no matter what I spill on here, nothing is going to get through this. Also, since it is silicone, I love the fact that I'm able to just spray it down with a cleaner and essentially just wipe it off and keep it clean. That way I can kind of just spot clean it as I go. But like I said, if it gets really dirty and I start getting a lot of buildup from the detergent and the fabric softener, what I'll do is I'll just pull everything off of it, bring it downstairs, hose it down, and it's basically brand new. So if you're looking for something to cover and protect the top of your front load washer and dryer, or something that is going to hold everything like your laundry detergent and cleaners, then I would definitely recommend picking one of these up.